Hey guys, this is Keerthan Bhat from Gadget Park and today let's see what's on my smartphone 2018. Let's get started. My smartphone of choice is the Moto G5 Plus with an armor case which I bought from a local store. The network of my choice is Reliance Jio and Airtel. I have a pretty simple UI, stock Android with Nova launcher. I change my wallpapers daily with the stock wallpapers app. This app has a really great collection. Coming to the home screen, you will find a clock widget on the top and on the bottom you will find some social media apps like Twitter and Instagram. By the way, I post daily pictures on Instagram. If you are not following me there, do check the links in the show description. You will find other apps like the stock camera app, Android TV app through which I control my Mi Box and my Gmail client. On the bottom deck you will find apps like Truecaller, which is my dialer, as well as social media apps like YouTube, WhatsApp and Chrome for Facebook and other web browsing services. You will also find Wink Music, which I use for my music needs. Swiping to the left you will find a bunch of apps and on the top you will find Night Shift. Night Shift just changes the screen color to a bit orange in color so that it helps me view the screen when there is no light around me. You will also find WhatsApp Business, Amazon Shopping and Filmiac Pro. Filmiac Pro is a video recording application which gives complete manual mode operations to the camera on the smartphone. You'll also find some apps like YouTube Creator Studio, Google Keep, which I keep notes, and some movie and video streaming apps like JioCinema, Netflix, Prime Video, Terrarium TV, Airtel TV, Jio TV and Hotstar. And yeah, I consume a lot of video and movies, so I have a lot of video streaming apps. So that's about the home screen. Swiping from the below, we will look at some of the apps which I use but not regularly. This list has Cam Scanner, File Explorer such as Files Go and ES File Explorer, Hathway Broadband, which is my ISP, some banking applications, Speed Test app and some other bunch of apps. So these are the apps that I use and my UI is quite simple. I don't like really customized UI. I like it to keep it simple and I want some of the most used apps in the home screen itself. So that's pretty much it guys for this video. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you liked it, vote it down if you didn't, comment down your views and thoughts, subscribe for more such content, and if you are interested in what I watch and what movies I prefer, I think you should follow me on Twitter so that I'll be updating it over there. Thanks for watching. This is Keerthan Bhat signing off. Have a great day. Bye bye now.